Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to Abing Studio. Also like, comment, and share this video for more videos from me. Are you running out of time and you need to pass an important file to your boss or teacher quickly using Messenger? But it says it is more than 25 MB file, which is the file limit that you can send in your Messenger. To help you, I will now make a tutorial how to send files or videos larger than 25 MB on Messenger using Google Drive in your Android only. For your information, I always use this hack every time I need to send a project on the last minute of due date to my teachers. So I assure you this is legit and safe. Let's get started, shall we? First, I will show you the files I will send to present proof that it is indeed more than 25 MB. As you can see, it is 84 MB. The very first step is to go to your Google Drive, and if you don't have it, you can just go to Play Store and download. I will just leave the link in the description box below. Click this plus sign here. Then click Upload. Choose the file you want to send. Wait for it to upload. When it's done, click on these 3 dots here beside the file. Then make sure you turn the link sharing off to on. The link will be automatically copied in your clipboard. Lastly, go to your Messenger app, find the person you want to send the file to, paste your link, and click send. Just wait for it, and then you're done. As you can see, you can send it easily without getting a warning that your file is too big to send. Reminder, make sure the person you're sending the file to has a Gmail account in order to open it. If they open the file, then they can download just by clicking this icon. Well, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like more tutorial, help, review, or any random videos from me, just like and share this video. Also hit the subscribe button with that notification bell to stay updated. Bye!